Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your computer name on your Windows 11 operating system. I'm going to show you few different ways in which you can find your computer name or your PC name on your Windows 11. So let's see them one by one. So the first method involves the command prompt. You can open the command prompt in several different ways. The easiest option will be to just click on the search icon and then search for a command prompt, or just type CMD here and the command prompt result will appear. So just click on that and then command prompt will open. Or you can just right click here and then you can click on Windows Terminal. It's going to open the Windows Terminal, which is your default Windows terminal. It can be Windows PowerShell or your Windows command prompt. Or you can right click here and then click on Run and then just type CMD and then click on OK, which is also going to open the command prompt. Okay. So anyway, you just need to open the command prompt, and in the command prompt, what you need to do, you just need to type host name here. Okay, so just type host name and then press enter, and whatever result you see here, I see desktop -phse something. So this is your PC name or your computer name. Okay, I can do this in the PowerShell also. Just write host name here and the result will be the same. Okay, so this is the first way. Let's see the second way. So you just need to click on the search icon and then just type PC name here, and the first result which will appear here will be view your PC name. So just click on that and it's going to open this window where you can see your PC name here under device specification, right? So this is your PC name, which is in front of the device name. You can reach to this point using the settings app, and you can just search for the settings app by just clicking on the search icon and then search for settings. And then when you click on the system, and then you just need to click on the about option, which is the last option here, and it's going to open the device name or the PC name for you. Here you can also see the other informations like processor, installed RAM, device ID, product ID, and some other information about your PC. Okay, so this is how you can find your PC name or your computer name on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.